ASUS router LED indicators explained. Status light meaning. Number 1, power LED. This light indicates the power status of your ASUS router. Solid white or blue. The router is powered on and functioning normally. Off, the router is powered off. Check the power adapter connection. Flashing in various colors means the router is in recovery mode or there's a firmware update in progress. Do not power off the router during this time. Number 2, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi LED. This LED indicates the status of your router's 2.4 GHz wireless network. Solid white or blue, the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is enabled and active. If flashing, data is being transmitted or received over the 2.4 GHz network. Off, the 2.4 GHz network is disabled. You might need to enable it in the router settings. Number 3, 5 GHz Wi-Fi LED. This LED is similar to the 2.4 GHz light, but indicates the status of your router's 5 GHz wireless network. Solid white or blue, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is enabled and active. If flashing, data is being transmitted or received over the 5 GHz network. If off, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is disabled. Number 4, LAN LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. These lights correspond to the physical LAN ports on the back of your router. If solid white or blue, a device is connected to the specific LAN port and active. If flashing, data is being transmitted or received through the LAN port. If off, no device is connected to the LAN port or the connected device is not active. Number 5, WAN Internet LED. This is one of the most important LEDs indicating your internet connection status. Solid white or blue, the router has a successful connection to the internet. If flashing, data is being transmitted or received over the internet connection. Off, red, or orange, there is no internet connection. This could mean a problem with your modem, ISP, or the cable connecting your modem to the router's WAN port.